There's a quiet story many men over 60 know too well. A story of subtle fading, of confidence that once came so naturally, now feeling just out of reach. It's not just about getting older. It's about waking up one day and realizing the energy that fueled your days and the quiet strength that shaped your identity seem to be slipping away. Maybe you've told yourself it's just part of the process, something to accept with resigned silence. But what if that wasn't entirely true? What if there was something simple, something easy, that could gently restore that vitality, that masculine confidence, faster than you ever imagined? Not a quick fix or a flashy promise, but a quiet, dependable practice that honors where you are and where you want to be. I want to share with you a perspective shaped by years of working closely with men just like you, men who carry a lifetime of stories and struggles beneath the surface. My name is Dr. Camila Cruz, and over time I've come to understand that the challenges men face around confidence, energy, and intimacy aren't just physical. They're woven into how we see ourselves, how we hold our worth in the world, and how deeply we feel connected to life's simplest joys. Many of the men I've worked with arrived carrying heavy skepticism. They'd been sold promises before: expensive supplements, gimmicky exercises, quick fixes that left them feeling more drained than renewed. They often said things like, "I'm too old for this to work," or "I've tried everything and nothing sticks." But what I've learned is that the path back to confidence doesn't lie in complicated solutions. It lives in small, intentional moments, like the simple touch of a massage designed not just to relax, but to awaken. One man, in particular, comes to mind. Let's call him John. When John first came to me, he was a shadow of the vibrant man he used to be. He felt disconnected from his body, from his wife, even from himself. His nights were restless, his days heavy with fatigue, and his quiet frustrations had started to erode his sense of self. But John was willing to try something different. Not a pill, not an expensive therapy, just a simple massage technique I taught him to do for himself. At first it was awkward, unfamiliar, but with patience, that massage became a ritual, a moment of self-respect and care. Over weeks, John noticed small changes: more energy in the morning, a return of warmth and ease in his body, a flicker of the old confidence that had seemed lost. That flicker grew, steady and sure, until John found himself looking in the mirror with a new kind of pride. This wasn't magic. It was the body remembering what it could do when given the right attention. Understanding why this massage works starts with recognizing the subtle ways our bodies change with age. As men grow older, circulation can slow, muscles may tighten, and nerve sensitivity can dull. These changes affect not just how we move, but how we feel, in our skin, in our hearts, and in the quiet spaces where intimacy and confidence reside. Blood flow, in particular, is like the river that nourishes the garden of your body. When it slows, the whole system feels sluggish, less alive. Hormones that once flowed with youthful abundance begin to ebb, affecting energy levels and mood. This simple massage acts like a gentle current, helping to awaken circulation, ease muscle tension, and stimulate nerves that have grown quiet. Imagine a soft warmth spreading beneath your hands, muscles loosening like soil tilled in preparation for new growth. It's not a sudden storm. It's a slow, steady rain nourishing your roots. The beauty of this massage is its simplicity. No fancy equipment, no complicated routines, just your own hands and a few quiet minutes. It focuses on key areas where tension and poor circulation most often gather. The touch is gentle but intentional, awakening your body's natural rhythms. Picture this: you place your hands with care, feeling the subtle pulse beneath your skin. You breathe slowly, deeply, as your muscles respond with relaxation and renewed vitality. This is a moment not just of physical care, but of self-connection, a reminder that your body still holds strength, even if it feels distant sometimes. Doing this regularly can set off a cascade of benefits: improved blood flow, reduced stress, and a rekindling of that vital energy that fuels confidence. In a way, this massage is a conversation between you and your body, a dialogue that speaks of respect and renewal, and it's perfectly natural to approach this with patience. You don't need to rush or expect overnight miracles. Instead, think of it as planting a seed and nurturing it carefully. Over time, you'll see it grow. When you pair this practice with mindful breathing, you create a space where your nervous system can calm and recharge. The rhythm of your breath mirrors the rhythm of your hands, deepening the experience. You might notice subtle shifts: a loosening in your chest, a warmth in your limbs, a quiet calm settling in your mind. These moments, small as they seem, build a foundation for something greater, a renewed sense of presence and confidence that doesn't shout, but quietly asserts itself in everything you do. But this massage doesn't exist in isolation. It is one thread woven into the fabric of a larger lifestyle that supports your well-being. Simple habits like staying hydrated, moving gently each day, and prioritizing restful sleep can strengthen the effects of this practice. When you care for your body with kindness and consistency, you create fertile ground for vitality to return. I encourage you not to see this as a checklist, but as a gentle invitation. Small steps that honor your journey without pressure or overwhelm. Each sip of water, each step taken, each moment of stillness supports the renewal you're seeking. This is a path not just of physical health, but of deep self-respect and healing. There is courage in choosing this path. It's easy to feel isolated in the challenges of aging, to believe that the struggles you face are yours alone, but they are not. Every man who takes this step, who reaches out to nurture his own body and spirit, joins a quiet community of strength and resilience. It's a community built not on bravado, but on honesty, patience, and a willingness to grow. Masculinity and confidence are not defined by age or achievement, but by presence, by the way you show up for yourself each day. By investing in this simple massage, you're reminding yourself that your worth is not diminished by time. You're planting the seeds of hope, and with time, they will bloom. As you prepare to try this massage, I invite you to hold that hope gently in your heart. You are not alone. There is a quiet strength in small acts of care, and a profound truth in the fact that your body remembers how to feel alive. In the next part of this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps of the massage, simple, effective, and designed with your needs in mind. Together, we'll explore how this practice can become a daily ritual, a source of renewal and confidence. Until then, remember that this journey is yours, a personal story of rediscovery, patience, and quiet power. Now that you've felt the gentle unfolding of what this massage can do, it's time to bring it to life with your own hands. The practice is simple, but the intention behind it is profound. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be interrupted, a place where you can settle into stillness and truly listen to your body. Sit or lie down in a way that feels natural and supported. Take a moment to close your eyes and breathe deeply, allowing the rush of the day to slow and your attention to come home to yourself. Start by placing your hands gently over the areas most in need of care, often the shoulders, neck, and chest, those places where tension gathers silently, holding back your natural flow of energy. Use slow, deliberate movements, as if you were tracing a path back to a part of yourself that's been quietly waiting. Feel the warmth of your hands against your skin and imagine that warmth sinking deep into the muscles beneath. With each stroke, You're inviting circulation to awaken, coaxing your body's own healing forces into motion. Don't rush. There's no need for pressure or force. This is a gentle dialogue, a nurturing touch that honors where you are in this moment. As you continue, pay close attention to how your body responds. You might notice muscles beginning to loosen, a subtle wave of relaxation moving through your limbs. Perhaps a quiet buzzing of renewed energy starts to surface, a gentle pulse beneath the skin like the first stirrings of a dawn breeze. These sensations are your body's way of saying it's ready to remember, ready to reclaim what time has softened but never erased. And as your hands move with intention, your breath can deepen in harmony, each inhale inviting calm, each exhale releasing tension. Together, breath and touch create a rhythm that soothes the nervous system and invites your whole being into a state of restoration. This simple practice, when done regularly, becomes more than just a massage. It transforms into a ritual of care and connection, a sacred moment you gift yourself each day. It's a reminder that your body, despite the passing years, still holds immense capacity for vitality and strength. And while the physical benefits are profound, improved blood flow, reduced muscle tightness, heightened sensitivity, the true power lies in what this practice does to your spirit. It cultivates patience, compassion, and a renewed trust in yourself. You learn to listen, not judge, to nurture, not demand. This shift in relationship with your body ripples outward, restoring not only confidence but a deeper sense of masculine presence. Yet, as powerful as this massage can be, it thrives best when supported by simple lifestyle choices that honor your body's natural rhythms. Staying well hydrated is foundational. Water fuels every cell, lubricates joints, and helps flush away the stress and toxins that can weigh you down. Gentle daily movement, be it a slow walk, stretching, or light exercises, keeps your circulation vibrant and your muscles engaged. Restful sleep, too, is a vital ally, allowing your body time to repair, replenish, and reset. These small but consistent habits weave together to create an environment where the benefits of the massage are amplified, where your entire system can flourish. And remember, it's not about perfection or drastic changes, but about a steady commitment to yourself. Each choice an act of kindness. It's important to acknowledge that this journey requires patience and gentle persistence. Your body may not transform overnight, but that's not the point. The point is to create space for renewal and to trust in the process, to honor the courage it takes to start this conversation with yourself, especially when the world often tells us to keep pushing harder, faster, louder. Instead, here you are, choosing to listen, to care, to be present. This is quiet strength, the kind that doesn't demand attention but commands respect through its very existence. It is in these small, deliberate acts that true confidence is rebuilt and true masculinity is reclaimed, not as a force to prove, but as a foundation to live from. As you embrace this practice, know that you are not walking this path alone. The feelings of loss, doubt, or fatigue you may have carried for years are shared by many, but so too is the hope for renewal. By choosing to nurture yourself in this way, you join a community of men quietly reclaiming their vitality and their power, not through loud declarations, but through patient, heartfelt action. Masculinity, after all, is not defined by youth or strength alone, but by the depth of presence, the ability to care deeply, and the courage to face yourself honestly. This simple massage is a gateway to those qualities, inviting you to rediscover the man you have always been beneath the surface. As we come to the close of this time together, I want to leave you with a thought. Confidence and masculinity are not destinations to arrive at, but landscapes to inhabit every day. They grow through your choices, your care, and your willingness to be gentle with yourself. When you place your hands on your body with intention, When you breathe deeply and feel that subtle pulse of life reawakening, you are honoring your journey and all the seasons that have shaped you. You are planting seeds of hope that, with time and kindness, will blossom into a new chapter of strength, vitality, and peace. So, I invite you now to take the first step. Try this massage with an open heart and patience. Notice how your body responds and allow yourself the grace to explore this practice without judgment. Share your experiences, your questions, and your reflections if you feel moved to do so. There is power in connection, in knowing you are not alone. And remember, I'm here with you on this path. My name is Dr. Camila Cruz, and it is an honor to walk alongside you as you rediscover your confidence and masculinity, one gentle touch at a time. If this video has brought you insight or comfort, please consider subscribing for more compassionate guidance on men's health and well-being. Together, we can build a community of quiet strength and lasting renewal. Thank you for trusting me with your journey. May you find peace, vitality, and confidence in every step ahead.